If you're looking to keep your electronic devices spotless and functioning smoothly, this all-in-one keyboard cleaning kit is a versatile and compact solution. The link to purchase this product at a discounted price is pinned in the first comment. Be sure to check it out at the beginning and end of this review for a great deal. This professional cleaning kit offers a comprehensive set of tools designed to revitalize your keyboards, screens, and other electronic gadgets. It includes a keycap puller for safe removal of keys, a retractable large keyboard brush, a precision soft brush, a metal pen tip, flocking sponge, polishing cleaning cloths, a soft plastic lens cleaning pen, replacement cloths, a microfiber cloth, and a refillable cleaning spray. This all-in-one approach means you have everything needed for thorough cleaning without multiple trips to buy separate products. One of the standout features is its multifunctionality. The kit is tested for use on mechanical, gaming, and membrane keyboards, making it suitable for a wide range of devices. The keycap puller ensures safe removal of keys, while the large soft brush quickly clears debris from the surface. The precision brush and metal pen tip reach tight spaces like charging ports, speaker grills, and headphone jacks, areas often missed with regular cleaning tools. The screen-safe cleaning spray is a major plus. It's odorless, colorless, and gentle, ensuring streak-free, pristine screens on MacBooks, iPads, iPhones, and other sensitive electronics. The thickened polishing cloth effectively tackles stubborn stains without leaving fibers or streaks, maintaining your device's pristine look. The kit's design is notably compact and portable, measuring just 4 by 2 by 0.7 inches, making it easy to carry in your bag, pocket, or drawer. Whether at home, in the office, or on the go, it's convenient to have this cleaning arsenal at your fingertips. Pros asterisk, all-in-one kit with professional-grade tools, safe for screens and delicate electronics. Multifunctional, suitable for various devices. Compact and portable design. Easy to use with straightforward instructions. Cons asterisk. Requires careful handling and adherence to safety guidelines. Some tools may be overkill for casual users who prefer simpler cleaning methods. The initial setup might be a bit overwhelming for complete beginners. Overall, this cleaning kit offers excellent value for those who want to maintain their devices in top condition with minimal hassle. Its multifunctionality and portability make it a practical choice for tech enthusiasts, professionals, or anyone keen on keeping their electronics clean and well-maintained. Remember, the link to purchase this product at a discount is pinned in the first comment. Be sure to check it out at the start and end of this review to grab the best deal. Keeping your devices clean has never been easier or more effective with this comprehensive cleaning kit.